Make this homemade soap and your pots will shine like a mirror. To start this tip today, I will use a soap, being ideal to grate the soap completely to facilitate the preparation of the tip. I'm sure this mixture will bring ease in cleaning in your day-to-day. The best of this tip is that it yields a lot. Now I will cut 3 limes into small pieces, will facilitate the preparation. The acidity contained in the lime is one of the main items for this mixture. Then I will put the limes in a blender, and then we will also add 500 milliliters of water. I'm gonna turn on the blender until the limes are shredded. This being the secret to this blend so effective. Next, I will use a sieve and put all the liquid in a container. Only liquid is needed in this tip. As soon as we separate all the liquid, in a saucepan we will add the soap we prepared earlier. Then also the liquid with lime. The ideal will be to melt all the soap, so we will take to the low heat and mix constantly. Once it is at this point, we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda. It is one of the main items of this mixture, aiding directly in the acidity contained in the lime. Baking soda has a great degreasing action, and this mixture is indispensable. Next, we will also add a tablespoon of salt, being ideal for use by making this soap more abrasive. To finish, we will also add 4 tablespoons of detergent. I hope this tip is useful for you. I never stop using this mixture in my home. The acid effect of lemon is what makes this soap better than conventional ones. To finish the mixture, we will put in a container with the model you prefer. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Amanda Bota from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Then let it cool for 3 hours or until the mixture hardens. And so the soap is already ready for use. Just with a sponge or steel sponge, without much effort, I can completely remove any dirt or even stains contained in the pots. Tell me if you've ever done a hint with lemon, I'd love to know. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.